Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Automatic Can Opener. Say goodbye to traditional can openers with the Kitchen Mama Can Opener. Embrace the future of can opening with this automatic wonder. Simply attach it to the can, press the button, and watch the magic unfold. No more struggling with manual openers or sharp edges that can lead to accidents. Our can opener ensures a smooth and safe opening process, leaving you more time to focus on creating culinary masterpieces. Bread Buddy Dispenser. On to something that will make your fridge feel like a vending machine, but without the cost. We have an ingenious bread solution, the Bread Buddy Dispenser. Not only does this gadget keep your bread fresh for longer, but it also allows you to dispense slices one at a time, preventing the usual squishing and mashing that happens when reaching into the bread bag. Thanks to its vertical design, it also aids in keeping your pantry organized. Adjust a cup. We have an innovative update for the traditional measuring cup. Often, precious ingredients get stuck at the bottom of the cup. But this gadget solves that problem by pushing all the ingredients from the bottom into your mixing bowl, ensuring more precise baking and cooking while saving time and money. Veggie Scissors. Up next, let me introduce you to an ingenious chef product, which has a fantastic design. It's like a combination of knife scissors and a veggie slicer, all in one sleek package. Picture a set of kitchen shears with a clever twist. The bottom part features a built-in cutting board. This innovative design lets you chop and slice with ease, without the need for a separate cutting board. Appliance cord wrappers. Let's talk about this handy cord organizer that can have a significant impact on your kitchen experience, especially if you have multiple appliances. Featuring strong adhesive on the back, you can easily attach them to a backsplash, countertop, or even directly onto an appliance. These cord wraps serve as a cord management system, keeping all those cords tidy and organized, whether the appliances are plugged in or not. They are a fantastic grab for any messy kitchen. Automatic Drink Food Organizer. The next kitchen gadget is designed to help organize your beverages in the fridge. We've all experienced the challenge of keeping cans and bottles of different sizes neat and tidy. This gadget takes fridge organization to a whole new level by auto-dispensing your beverages of choice. It features a spring-loaded release system which is rust-proof and anti-slip. It's perfect for creating that vending machine sensation, especially during family movie nights with pizza. Meat Smasher. Moving on to the next gem, the Meat Smasher. Despite the peculiar name, it's perfect for dishes featuring ground meat. A delightful weekly treat. When cooking ground meat, it often clumps together, leading to an inconvenience when using a spatula for chopping. Fear not. This clever tool allows you to press down and twist, ensuring the meat remains evenly ground. What's more surprising is its versatility. It can also handle mashing potatoes and chopping eggs for that delicious egg salad. Knife Sharpener. To keep your knives sharp and efficient, we have the AnySharp Essentials Knife Sharpener. With over 62,000 nearly perfect reviews, this compact sharpener features a suction cup at the bottom for secure attachment to a counter. It ensures that knives of all sizes, including serrated ones, can be quickly sharpened with ease. Adjust a teaspoon. Get ready for the evolution of a measuring spoon. This adjustable teaspoon replaces multiple measuring spoons, minimizing clutter in your kitchen drawers. Its ingenious design allows for easy adjustment to achieve the precise measurement for your recipes, producing perfect baked or cooked goods for every occasion. Veggie Slicer. Introducing the ultimate kitchen companion. This remarkable tool effortlessly tackles various tasks, making chopping herbs a breeze and slicing carrots and cucumbers as easy as a walk in the park. It's perfect for preparing food for kids, creating delightful meals with ease. The versatility of this product unlocks a world of creative possibilities in your kitchen. SwitchBot. Now, let's move on to the SwitchBot, a product that has thoroughly captivated us. This incredible device offers both peace of mind and control over appliances that can't be plugged into a smart plug. The SwitchBot works like magic, making any power button or switch in your home smart. The best part is, it requires no wiring, Bluetooth, or timer controls. This universal gadget works with the most rocker switches or buttons on appliances. Once connected, you can remotely control the SwitchBot from anywhere using voice commands through your smartphone, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, or other compatible devices. Digital Kitchen Food Scale. Next up, there's a clever contraption designed for baking and cooking enthusiasts. It combines a stainless steel bowl with a built-in measurement tool, allowing for easy unit conversions. Whether you're measuring flour, seasoning, or pancake mix, this gadget is a game changer, especially for those on a diet or those who are practicing portion control. The detachable bowl makes cleaning a breeze. Scrub Daddy's Power Paste. Now on to a cleaning product, the Scrub Daddy's Power Paste. This fantastic chemical-free cleaning and polishing compound comes with a sponge. The container cleverly holds the paste and sponge together for easy use. The Power Paste's natural grit works wonders when combined with the Scrub Daddy sponge, effectively removing stubborn residues and grime. We love using it in the kitchen for tough, baked-on grease or residue in the sink. It's perfect for pots, pans, ovens, stovetops, and even microwaves. The combination of Scrub Daddy and Power Paste is a game changer. Reusable Pizza Storage Container. Our next gadget brings new life to leftover pizza. How many times have you struggled with storing pizza slices in the oversized box? This perfect pizza pack solves that problem. It stores and microwaves up to 5 slices at once, keeping your pizza fresh and lasting longer. You can microwave the slices right in the container, and when you're done, you can plate the pizza or eat it directly from the Tupperware. Cleaning is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe and a great investment if you're a pizza lover. Mini Chopper. Introducing the newest cordless electric mini chopper. It's compact, portable, and surprisingly affordable. The mini chopper has received excellent reviews and can be recharged via USB, which is a rare feature. With this handy tool, chopping vegetables and herbs becomes effortless, making tasks like mincing garlic a breeze without the risk of garlic-scented fingers. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.